Okay, so this is what it's like inside the back end of a pickup truck. This is a 6.5-foot bed that has a fifth wheel. So you've got this big monster hitch. Yes, that part can be removed, and just the two plates at the bottom stay where they are when we're not using the RV, but otherwise this thing stays in for the whole trip. Okay, and you've got that big thing that goes there, and then you've got a cable that the brake automatic stopper, and then there's also electrical that comes in here. So basically what you have is enough room to put stuff along the sides and behind. That piece behind, that's one of those Plano, that's the smaller, that's the medium automotive trunk. Well, that fits in there nicely between some of the other stuff, and it's low enough that, because this fifth wheel has to be able to spin around a good 90, even up to 100 and some degrees, and then everything here has to stay as low as well. So here I'm using a Bass Pro. It's the case for a cover for an outboard. It really worked out well. This is for the largest outboard case that they had, and that covers the miter saw, and so that can stay out here totally exposed because it cannot put the tonneau cover on. And you know, when this thing is hooked up, and so it gets rain and snow and everything else, and you know, I just don't want people to see it too much, so it just makes it look like something else. There's a grill in here, and then we've got room along the side for some rugs that are always muddy and everything else. Put a little weight on those, you're good to go. I even have one of these bins in here, a lockable bin, otherwise the tonneau cover is rolled up, and that's where everything has to go. So it all fits, all of the stuff fits into that one bin, or there's a second bin. This one's a little larger. This is the rolling automotive trunk, and then that one, right before we leave, we just slide it in there, and as soon as we get to where we're going, I pull it out, tuck it under. Again, everything is totally waterproof.